Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn how to buy items on Pandabuy. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Now, if you're not familiar with Pandabuy, just a quick overview regarding this platform in here. So this is actually an online shopping platform that connects international buyers to the vast world of Chinese e-commerce. So it become incredibly popular among people who want to access to a wide range of products from Chinese retailers. So the key reason why people use this is the access to Chinese market, product sourcing, competitive pricing, agent services, consolidated shipping, and many more. And now you know why Pandabuy is already popular. Now let's go ahead and try to do a quick sign up process or login for this one so that we will go ahead and try to dig in deeper or dive in deeper onto Pandabuy. So here onto the upper bar, there are actually two options. If you have an account already, just simply click onto login. But if you're still starting out like me, you're gonna go ahead and click onto sign up in here to type in your credentials. So as you can see, the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and try to type in your country. So you could choose onto the various countries that is in here. And then right after, add in your username, add in your email as well. Also type in your password, confirm your password again, enter the verification code, and you should also agree and read and accept the Pandabuy user registration agreement and the privacy statement. So just simply click on to sign up, and if you scroll down further in here, there's actually an option for you to continue using your Google account or your Apple account. And if you have an account already, just simply click on to login. Now, let's try to click on to login in here. Since we're just gonna go ahead and try to use my account and just simply go ahead and try to type in the verification code and log in further. Now, once you're already onto log in into Pandabuy, this is what you should see already. You should see the home page. So this is the website that we've seen earlier, but we're not currently logged in for that. We actually have the forwarding in here, the DIY orders, the fill and buy, find and buy. You could also see, or here you could paste in the product link, name of the shop, or the shop link or PI in here, add in the photo so that they will help you find it immediately. And there is also an estimation in here. So they will help you estimate your shipping fee. So you'll just need to add in here the destination, the category, its weight, length, width, and height, and then you could inquire for that one. So you'll just need to input the information in here to see the estimated shipping fee. Now going back here onto its website, you should be able to see also in here onto the dashboard the steps. So I'll just need to place the order, selection and purchase, submit the parcel, QC confirm and global shipping, and then sign delivery, receive, and already share. Now, as you can see in here onto the right side, there's actually a download app option in here, or the icons. You could see your cart also in here. You could also see in here the customer service, the like, and the Discord account. And there is also a beginner's guide in here, the help center, and you could change the settings. And here onto the beginner's guide, let's gonna go ahead and delve onto this so that we'll know the basic onto Pandabuy. Now, if you click onto Beginner's Guide, you'll get redirected onto a new page. So here, there is a video introduction about Pandabuy so that you'll have a reference or know some details regarding Pandabuy in here. And there is also tips about how to order, how to ship, and how to save. So this guide describes every step of ordering from pandabuy.com. And after reading this, you'll be able to place an order from Taobao, Weidin, Youpu, or through Pandabuy agent shopping. So there are 4 reasons why using Pandabuy agent. So the 4 reasons in here includes that it will receive help using commending the huge selection of Chinese products with high cost efficiencies, receive help with buying online and offline products in China, lower purchasing costs and cheap shipping, and receive top-notch quality checks and purchasing services. So how to find quality items? Browse China's online e-commerce platforms such as Taobao, so that is actually linked onto their search bar. They'll find your ideal sellers, find quality suppliers, and once you get ideal products through the above methods, Pandabuy can provide you with a full set of high quality service. So there is actually a guide in here, how to ship the items, and the extreme service guarantee. So since I mentioned earlier that the Taobao is actually linked in here, so now let's try to find in something that we want to buy onto Pandabuy. So for example in here, so onto the trending searches, we have Christmas packaging. So if you want to buy a Christmas packaging, if you click onto that, you'll get redirected onto Taobao's searching page in here for the different products that it offers. So you could just choose in here onto the different items that it offers so that we could go ahead and buy it. And if you're also trying to search from other platforms, here are actually some of the best Pandabuy links or shoppings or the different shops that you could browse from. So we have your Adidas, we have Amiri, Birkenstock, Crocs, Balenciaga, We have Burberry, Carhartt, Stone Island, Cortez, Dior Essentials. We have Jordan, Louis Vuitton. We have Montclair, New Balance, football shirts, Lanvin, Meissen, Nike, and many more. So they also have the products in here, the size guide download. And if you have gone ahead and click onto the link in here, you're just gonna go ahead and copy the link, and you'll have to paste it here onto the product links, or you could type in the name of the shop. But since we've utilized Taobao in here, we just directly search for Christmas packaging. We've gone ahead and see the different things in here. Like for example, we want to go ahead and try to click onto the specific things in here. Like for example, we want to buy this one out. We'll just have to click onto this, and you'll get redirected onto its details. Now, as you can see in here, you could actually see the cute sticker Christmas gifts packaging labels in here for this one. And also, you could actually see how much it costs. So after the payment, it will be purchased for you onto this time. And also, you could see in here the flow on what it will happen. So you have the seller to Pandabuy warehouse and the shipping fee. You can see the shipping fee in here. And then the next step is the Pandabuy warehouse and then your address also. And you could also see actually in here again the estimated international shipping fee in here. Now there are a lot of color classification that you could choose from. Choose a quantity, and you could also find some similar in here. You could also do an affiliate share for this one, and you could favorite this. You could also leave a message. So you could write a message only when you have special requirements regarding this order's purchasing. So for example, you want to buy a lot and you want to try to choose onto which design you want to use. You could specify onto which of this one you want to have onto your purchase. Now, Pandabuy will only purchase for you according to the link that you enter. If you have any doubts regarding your orders, reach out to the online service that you could see here onto the right side, which is this one, the customer service. And do note that before purchasing, the items displayed are from third-party platforms. So Pandabuy only provides services of searching, shopping, and shipping as a shopping agent. So Pandabuy do not provide services or products, evaluation, or authentication. So please acknowledge this. You need to read this first and then acknowledge in here to remove the risk and to continue with your process. Now you'll have the option to add this to your cart and buy now. And if you buy now this directly, you'll get redirected onto another page. You should be able to see in here that you need to confirm the order, or first you need to select the destination country, add in here USA, and then delivery types for your destination country in here. So as you can see, this is what we've gone through earlier, the steps, and then the confirm product information. We have here the product details, their mark, its unit price, the quantity, value added services, and its total. So you could back to your cart again to edit this. So you could see also the shop in here, the Pandabuy warehouse, the total price, freight to the warehouse, and the shop total, and the international shipping fee in here is still not yet included. So as you can see in here, we have the prohibited item statement, services, terms, and users management, return exchange services, some disclaimer, and if you have read and agreed, you'll just need to click onto this and go ahead and submit the order already. So a friendly reminder, after submitting the order and paid, please kindly wait for the seller to submit an international package order once stored at the warehouse. Now going back here onto the main page, if you've gone ahead and already added your order, you'll just hit here onto your profile again, and you should be able to see your order in here. So if you click onto order, if you have ordered something, you should be able to see it in here. And then this is where you could also cancel it if you have any discrepancies that you want to do onto that specific products. So here onto the user center as well, you should be able to see the different settings that are really useful. You can see your account, your card favorites, order, warehouse, rehearsals, parcels, some of the reviews, your wallet, your points, your inquiry, your message, your account, custom function, and for also doing affiliates. So that's just basically it onto how to buy items on Pandabuy. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment it down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you onto our next video.